Can you really grow taller in your 20s? In this video, I will share some secret tips and techniques that you can keep in mind to optimize the height that you have and tell you the truth about why height growth actually stops at a particular age. हर रोज मेरे Instagram DMs में ये सवाल आता है कि मैं 15 साल का हूं, मैं अपनी हाइट कैसे बढ़ा सकता हूं? मैं 18 साल का हूं, मैं अपनी हाइट कैसे बढ़ा सकती हूं? मैं 20 या 22 साल का हो चुका हूं, क्या मेरी हाइट अभी भी बढ़ सकती है? This is the video that you need. Let's get to it. अभी सबसे पहले इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपकी जो हाइट है वो नेचुरली स्लो डाउन क्यों हो जाती है अपने ग्रोथ में आफ्टर प्यूबर्टी एंड इवेंचुअली व्हाई डज योर हाइट ग्रोथ एक्चुअली स्टॉप. सो लेट्स गेट टू दोज रीजंस फर्स्ट अप. सबसे पहला है क्लोजर ऑफ योर ग्रोथ प्लेट्स. नाउ योर ग्रोथ प्लेट्स आर द एरिया ऑफ कार्टिलेज विच आर फाउंड एट द एंड ऑफ योर लॉन्ग बोन्स. प्यूबर्टी के टाइम पे दे ग्रेजुअली स्टार्ट टू ऑसिफाई, मतलब दे टर्न इनटू कंप्लीट बोन एंड दे फ्यूज. Once your growth plates are fused, it is highly unlikely that your bones can lengthen anymore and they complete and your height growth stops. Second point is hormonal changes. आपका जो ग्रोथ प्लेट है उसकी एक्टिविटी इज रेगुलेटेड बाय द ग्रोथ हार्मोन एंड योर सेक्स हार्मोन्स विच इज ईस्ट्रोजन एंड टेस्टोस्टेरॉन. As you approach puberty, it is these hormones which signal to the growth plate that it is time to close, and this means that your height will no longer increase. And the third point is genetic factors. Your height is determined 80 to 90% only by genetic factors. So आपका जो growth plate closure का timing है और आपका overall height का जो potential है, your genetics play the most significant role in it. इसका मतलब है to expect something completely out of the ordinary compared to your mother or father's height is you being extremely unreasonable. अभी mainly अगर देखा जाए तो height is a cosmetic issue and for that you need certain cosmetic solutions. आप बोलोगे डॉक्टर मनन मेरी हाइट इतनी ज्यादा नहीं है, ये फिक्स हो चुकी है. पीपल आर बुलिंग मी इन स्कूल, पीपल मुझे चिंटू या छोटू बुलाते हैं. सम पीपल थिंक दैट दे विल नॉट गेट अ पार्टनर बिकॉज दे आर नॉट टॉल इनफ. Some people just lack confidence because they are shorter, and here are some basic practical tips for you to appear taller. The first one is try wearing shoe inserts or high-heeled shoes. These are easily available online. You can start using them and you can add a couple of centimeters to your height. The second point is a fashion tip. Try wearing clothing with vertical stripes or longer pants to create the illusion of more height. And the third point is to maintain your spinal flexibility and alignment. At times, your spinal vertebrae can take longer to fuse. They can even fuse up to your mid-20s. इसका मतलब है focus on stretches and exercises and maintain good and healthy posture to make sure you maximize your height potential. अब बात करते हैं एक पॉइंट के बारे में. आप बोलोगे डॉक्टर मनन आपने तो बोला कि genetics play a role in my height potential up to 80 to 90%. What is that remaining 10 to 20%? Here are some basic tips for growing individuals between the age of 8 to 18 that you can keep in mind to maximize your height potential. काफी टाइम पेरेंट्स आर a lot of worried and I get a lot of messages from them. और वो मुझे बोलते हैं कि डॉक्टर मनन मैं क्या करूं अपने बच्चे के लिए और what should I make my child undergo so that they grow as tall as possible? Here are a few tips just for you. The number one point is to focus on your sleep quality, duration and consistency. If you want to maximize your height potential, please make sure that you are sleeping for 7 to 8 hours every night on a good quality mattress to achieve that deep sleep. क्योंकि आपका जो growth hormone release होता है that is maximum during the night and this is very important to increase your height over time. Number 2, focus on stretching and exercising. Please play sports, right from hanging on a rod to playing basketball to playing any sport that you want, or even focusing on general stretches and exercises has been known by research to play a small role in improving the height of a child. And number 3, आपको आपके डाइट पे फोकस करना है. Have foods which are rich in protein, calcium and vitamin D to actually promote your overall growth and development. Now, any video about height would be incomplete if I didn't talk about surgery. This has gotten a lot of mileage and traction on social media of late. काफी लोग बहुत ही mentally stressed है and their confidence is extremely low. It is affecting their mental well-being and they are genuinely considering limb lengthening surgery. So let me quickly talk about it. As an orthopedic surgeon, I am folding my hands and begging you to never undergo a limb lengthening surgery. It is an extremely costly and painful procedure that involves the usage of a device that we call an external fixator. ये आपकी height बढ़ा सकता है, yes, but it is a long and painful and costly procedure that takes months of recovery and rehabilitation. इसके साथ आते हैं surgery के risks, which is infection, nerve damage and other complications that come with any such major procedure. It also requires a lot of patience and commitment by the patient and it is really not worth it. Please stay away from this. Please note that height is just one characteristic or aspect of your well-being. It is your personality that truly matters. Please focus on building your personality and that is what will give you the actual confidence. Height पे इतना obsession मत रखो. There are a lot of things that you need to do to have a positive mindset and outlook towards life that will help you reach your goals and really far off in life to maximize your overall potential. Your height is not the only answer towards that. अगर आपको ये video useful लगा, please hit the like button, drop a comment, share this video and subscribe to the channel. अगर आपको हाइट ग्रोथ के बारे में और भी क्वेश्चंस हैं, ड्रॉप देम इन द कमेंट्स बिलो एंड प्लीज कमेंट FAQ means frequently asked questions. I will make an entire separate video about the frequently asked questions about height growth and bust all these myths just for you. See you in the next video.